Hi guys, welcome to Quality Thought. Raju here. Regarding data analyst, I am listening many kind of queries from student community mainly. Sir, is data analyst is really no code job or coder job? Data analyst is 90% no coding job. The primary and major skills are SQL, popularly known as SQL. The second one is Excel, a spreadsheet package. Plus third one is Power BI. These are the three components highly preferred for you guys with 1 to 2% little Python coding. But 100% data analyst is no code job, not low code job. So as a data analyst, you guys need to understand one point very clearly. Its name already changed. What that one? AI powered data analyst means what? First one, SQL plus AI means SQL plus AI. Second one, Excel plus AI and Power BI plus AI. Learn your course with AI powered. You are also AI powered data analyst. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day.